I just wanted to add to that the FRA sent one of their attorneys out here to be present during the RFQ process, where we shortlisted the 5 proposal firms. So they spent this attorney spent several days with the RFQ evaluation team and the subcommittees, understanding what the process is and overseeing the process as an observer, and then reported back to FRA. So they were quite involved. They've also been a part of the development of the RFP documents themselves, because we set them up on a site that they can access, and we plugged them in very early in the process. So they've been continuing to give us comments over months.
Great. Thank you. Good to know. Thank you, Hans.
I just wanted to continue with just some legal contractual oversight. And as you know, you have a lot of detail in the term sheets, and all those individual items are covered in there. And as you mentioned, Madam Chair, I did reach out with others at the high-speed rail and with consultants to inform you on some of the details and answer your questions. And not only was FRA involved and included in this whole development of the RFP, the Department of Finance at the state level was, Department of General Services, and in the Attorney General's office has been helping us. And I want to mention that there are some other consultants that have been quite involved other than the team that Hans had mentioned, and that is KPMG, the financial group that we have as consultants, has been part of the RFP process the entire time, and the RFQ process. And in addition to that, the Nossaman Law Firm has provided quite a bit of expert advice and been very involved. So we've had a large team, lots and lots of hours developing this really important document. The RFP follows the Design Build Institute of America process. We've also reached out to Caltrans because of their experience. Although they have really a long history of design bid build, they have received the authority under statute to do design build a few years ago. So they have developed a design build program starting from scratch. And so we've taken advantage. I happen to have some contacts over there in their legal division, and also the project manager for their design build program. And so we've had a number of occasions to consult with them. So that's been very helpful. I wanted to mention that, again, that the Public Works Board has to approve this RFP as well as this board. And just to let you know, the Public Works Board staff consists of Department of General Services and Department of Finance staff. And so they are very familiar with, and they have experience in design build. And so they've been plugged in for months on this process, and given us a lot of feedback. Okay. I want to talk about the best value selection process that we're moving forward with for the selection of the proposal team that we would move on to the award.
I'm sorry.
Sure.
Going back to the legal for a moment. Sorry.
Yes.
Just had a little sidebar here.
Sure.
It's amazing with all the lawyers that we got this done.
Yes, I know.
Let's see what. Very good lead. We have an excellent lead. So you are the lead attorney for us on all this and coordinating all
yes.
and it all comes back to you?
Right, yes.
Okay, because I want to know who to blame, you know?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it does. I've been very actively involved with all the consultant groups that I mentioned, the PMT, the PMO, KPMG, Nossaman.
The whole alphabet.
Everybody, yeah.
Okay.
So I've been trying to coordinate
Okay.
that, or have been coordinating that, and so it's been quite a big effort.
Okay.
There's many conference calls and face-to-face meetings. It's been very intense to try to put something this complex together.
Well, you must be doing something right with all the lawyers on this board, and no questions. Thanks. Please move on.
Okay, thanks.